Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel at Junior AJ Alex. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch my videos. So this is the situation here in Lila Bohol whale shark watching. So mayroong mga botanting dito obviously. So nag-start na kami early this morning around 6:30. So time check 7:44. So masaya yung mga tao na nanonood ng whale shark. So yan yung boat. Nagdadala na ng mga guest going to our site. Yapil na lang na ilalulong. So, open kami 7 days a week. So ganyan po ang ganap dito everyday. So kung sino mang makapanood nito na hindi pa nakapanood ng whale shark, please don't hesitate to visit us and enjoy our whale shark whale watching here in Lila Bohol. So I'm inviting everyone all over the world to please come and visit us and enjoy the view. Good day and to God be the glory.